Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are getting hotter these next few days, and we are approaching the triple digits starting today. We still have some air quality concerns. Our ozone concentrations still approaching unhealthy levels. That'll put us under a health watch again today. But then we'll start watching that fire danger go back up as winds increase. Today, winds coming in out of the west-southwest, fairly light here in the valley with some breezes continuing across northern Arizona. Tomorrow, we'll start to feel those stronger winds in that northwest pocket of our state, and then by Saturday our next storm system moves in, sending a cold front across our state, and that is going to boost those wind speeds even further across the entire state, including here in the valley. So today, again, some breezes up north, those gusts near 20 to 25 miles an hour there. For the valley, winds between about 5 and 15 miles an hour through this afternoon into the evening. Tomorrow, notice how those stronger winds develop in that northwest pocket of our state, and that is where we will first see those fire concerns. Eventually, those fire concerns spread east across northern Arizona by Saturday as those wind speeds get stronger. By Saturday, the valley will be in that breezy range, our wind gusts peaking near 25 miles an hour. And in northern Arizona, we're talking wind gusts as high as 40 miles an hour. So these stronger winds combined with those very dry conditions across our state will heighten that wildfire danger. Now today, you'll notice the fire danger not too high. Still important to use caution. Again, it's very dry out there. But by tomorrow, as those wind speeds start to increase, you'll notice that we start to see a slightly higher fire danger up north. And again, it'll worsen as we go into Saturday. So we've got fire weather watches for northwest and northeast Arizona. On Friday, it'll be northwest Arizona where we see those alerts. So if you've got plans to head out maybe to the river, any areas along northwest Arizona, know that conditions will be very dry. Relative humidity less than 15% and less than 10% in some of the valleys in northwest Arizona. Gusts to 35 miles an hour. So that will give us that high fire danger. And on Saturday, that fire weather watch will be in effect across the eastern Mogollon Rim, the White Mountains, northeast Arizona, as those areas will get gusts as high as 40 miles an hour, and that relative humidity will drop below 10%. Now for the valley, we'll have breezy conditions by Saturday, but today's lighter winds will allow the ozone concentrations to climb. Ozone into the upper moderate range, approaching those unhealthy levels, and that's why we're under that ozone health watch. Tomorrow, it looks like those ozone concentrations drop, and Saturday they're dropping as well, so no alerts it looks like these next couple of days, but that's because those winds will get stronger. That storm system sending a cold front across our state, but what we're not going to see is any rain. It looks like our dry stretch will continue through the next 7 days, and it'll stay dry through the Memorial Day weekend. Our temperatures, though, will get cooler with that disturbance, so we're going to heat up these next couple of days, but by Saturday, temperatures fall, low to mid 90s through the weekend, and then we start to heat back up Monday, back in the triple digits. As you look at those high temperatures around the valley, we'll top out at 97 today in Apache Junction, 99 in Ahwatukee. Deer Valley hits 96, and we're looking at upper 90s today out in Goodyear. 99 for Phoenix, upper 90s at Lake Havasu and Bullhead City. Those high temperatures in the 80s today in Prescott, mid 80s in Sedona. Overnight lows will be cooling off into the mid 50s in Sedona, lows in the 40s by tomorrow morning in Show Low, and will likely drop to around 70 degrees by sunrise tomorrow in Phoenix. Overnight temperatures across the valley dropping into the mid to upper 60s to kick off our Friday morning, and tomorrow could be the day that we hit the triple digits after a 12-day stretch of not seeing highs in those hundreds. Tomorrow, Phoenix could top out at 100 degrees, if not just shy of it, and then temperatures will be dropping as that disturbance moves in this weekend. 94 for Saturday, 96 on Sunday, back to 100 on Memorial Day, and then by the middle of next week, we're getting a little hotter, 105 by Wednesday.